Hey there, VIPs. This is the end results of my beautiful chocolate protein pancakes. I used Sun Warrior, a little bit of non-dairy milk. I added an egg. If you don't want to add the egg, you can add a little applesauce. I've learned that the smaller you make them, the better. But they are delicious. Now, if you want to make them a little bit sweeter, you can use some monk fruit. This is just monk fruit. Almost like a powdered, sugared little protein pancake here. If you want more recipes, you can always check out my Fun Fit Foodie cookbook. And I'm just staying VIP powered up. What about you guys? Mr. Bell's happy. Today at 1:15, we'll be doing our group coaching. I'll be doing our book club. From chapter 5, we're starting the importance of fitness, exercise. Really excited. And really, guys, look, health is the new wealth. So make those deposits in your body. I'm drinking some green tea. Stay positive, and I love you. Hey, Kelly. Hi, Rachel. This literally took me 2 minutes to make, and I'm enjoying it. So stay fueled up. Stay positive. We're going to have a great jolt today at 1:15. I got all your questions, so come back for that, okay? And remember, we're going to get through this together. Happy first day of spring. Love you. Bye, guys.